Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about the new feature that is recently added by the Premiere Pro, the text-based editing. This feature is added in the latest update. If you see the Premiere Pro version, that is 23.6.0. So I have this latest version with me, and if you update your Premiere Pro to the latest version, you will have this as well. So let me show you how you can access and use this new feature that can save tons of your time. So let's get started. I have this video with me that is Joe Rogan podcast. So let's use the text-based editing for this one. I'm going to select the video, and here on my timeline, and here on the window, just select the windows and select the text panel. Here we will open up this text panel. Here keep on selecting this and then click on transcribe. This will transcribe everything that is said in your video. This will take a couple of seconds. And there you have it. And now once the transcription is done, you can see. You can also increase your size so you will have more of the transcription with you. So let me show you what you can do with this. Let's start with the pauses in between the video. The three dots, this shows the pauses that are added in your video. If you see on the top, you can see there's an option for automatic set in and out points. If you click on it and then click on these three dots, this will select the pause that is in between the video. Same goes with this one. If I select this part, this will automatically add the in and out points for this. You can simply just right click on it and click on delete. Also, if you select this part, just right click on it and click on triple delete. And same goes for this part. If you select this, just right click on it, and if you click on delete, this will leave the space. So I suggest you use the triple delete option. If you select this part, you will create in and out point for this part only. And again, just right click on it and click on delete. This will delete this part. You can also set the pause time. Just simply click on these three dots. Here select the pauses and then select the set pause length. You can select the length for about 0.4 seconds. If you click on set, this will show you the pauses in the video that has 0.4 seconds or more than that. So if I select the option for about 1 second, this will show me only the pauses that are 1 second or above that. So if I select this and then right click on it and click on triple delete, this will delete from your video. You can also remove the ums or another voices that you don't want. I hope this new text-based editing feature helps you really organize and create your videos. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.